Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a BMW X4. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a charged battery. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off to prevent electrical damage. Next, open the hood of your BMW X4 and locate the designated jumpstart terminals, which are usually clearly marked with a plus and minus sign. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your BMW X4's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, attach one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your BMW X4, away from the battery. This creates a good ground connection. Once all cables are connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge before you try to start your BMW X4. To disconnect safely, reverse the order. First, remove the black negative cable from your BMW X4's metal surface, then from the working vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the working vehicle, and finally from your BMW X4. Let your BMW X4 run for at least 20 minutes to recharge its battery. It's also wise to have your battery and charging system inspected soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.